So I just made it to the Arkas full body. It's right there. And I'm going to show you a bit of the view of the city in actual Kyiv itself. So that's the beach that I was talking about. It's technically a river, but it's the best you can do. It is part of Kyiv. And I'm going to show you in this side so you can see the city. This is a portion of the city. Can't see it all, but at least you can see something. So this is a park like many others. It's well, it's a good place for relaxing or just getting around the city, cutting through, getting a little bit of nature. You know, there is a lot of up and down since we are technically like on the side of a mountain, but people try to go on about their day. You will see that's mostly women and children and elderly, because most of the men are actually out fighting. So I'm gonna go near the water and I'll show you a bridge over there as well.
Kyiv is a very friendly city when it comes to walking, and I wanted to show a little piece of how it is to cross the road here. You do have the zebra lines, and it's very safe. People really respect pedestrians. They really stop so the pedestrians can get across. And at this point I'm going to go really close to where the river is and like the pier area to show you a section of it.
So this is the river. There's a bridge over there. There's people actually on that side, more or less like a beach. Closest thing they can do to a beach here in Kyiv. And there's the other bridge over there. Once again, you can walk it and get to the sandy area. But I'm not going over there. Well, I'm at a Georgian restaurant here in Kiev. Might as well try something a little bit different, but close to Georgia, I guess. You can see the Georgian flag over there with the Ukrainian flag. Right now I just got some mineral water while I get some typical food. So this is a soup that I'm going to try. This is awesome. It's actually pretty good. It's good to get out of your comfort zone and try something else from another country. I love these. Now let's try these. These are filled with mushroom. They're amazing.
After a nice meal, I went ahead and walked through Marinski Park, which is actually located in front of the Supreme Council of Ukraine. This park is recognized as part of the Nature Preservation Fund of Ukraine, yet its official listing is not known. Marinski Park is designed in a landscaping style with well-equipped recreation areas and observation decks overlooking the Dnipro River and the left bank. This park is about 130 years old and it's named by the Marinski Palace. It was established in 1874 and is one of Kyiv's oldest parks, named after Empress Maria Alexandrovna, wife of Emperor Alexander II. The appearance of the park has changed a lot since its first creation. As an example, at the end of the 19th century, marble busts and sculptures were erected along the alley. And in the 1900s, cast iron fountains were established, and they are still there to this day. Now, unfortunately, in some areas, the park is closed off to the public because it's close to some government buildings, and since there is still an ongoing war, they have sectioned those areas off, so you will see a couple of fences around and some barbed wire to keep pedestrians out. But either way, I'm going to head over and show you a view of Kyiv from another angle. We are now walking through the glass pedestrian and bicycle bridge. It was actually unveiled in 2019. And it's still fairly new, and you can see that there is still a lot of people, and it's a good spot to have a lot of great views of the city, to take some pictures and videos. Now, it is about 200 meters, so it is a bit of a walking distance. Though there is something in particular that I wanted to point out, which I see in almost every country, and are these people in costumes asking for money so you can take pictures with them. I was surprised to see them here, especially during this time, but overall, in every country, these things are a scam and they do extort you for money, so I would always stay away from them. They didn't know I was filming them clearly since I had the meta glasses on. Now over here, I am going to show you one of the views that it offers. I mean, this is one of the oldest areas of Kyiv. Right now, I am technically in the Podil district of Kyiv, and I am actually going to be walking towards the St. Andrew's Church, and it's actually recognized as one of the most beautiful churches in Ukraine. The church was actually named in honor of the first preacher of Christianity in Rus, St. Andrew the Apostle. According to the tale of bygone years, it was on this very spot that Andrew the Apostle erected a cross and prophesied the construction of a large city with many churches. It actually connects the lower and upper part of the city. Now you can see it at a distance. I'm not going to go inside, it was pretty late. But now, enough walking. Let me show you this food market that they have. And I'm going to try a drink that I had actually never tried before. And my friend taught me how to say it because I didn't know how to say the name of it. So here it goes, and here's my impression on it. Okay, so I'm drinking a drunk cherry. In Ukrainian, you say?
Pijana Vishnya.
Piana?
Vishnya.
Vishnya. Piana Vishnya. It's sweet, alcoholic. It's very good. And if you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. And I'll see you all on the next country review. And also, don't forget that if you're going to drink, just get an Uber. And yes, there is Ubers in Ukraine.
Shout out to the host of the Richter. This the Richter Show. The Richter Show.